Hello students, in my last video I told you how Albert's math teacher gave him the reference, and after giving him reference that he is immediately ready to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics, he felt sorry for he was leaving the school. Of course, he agreed this also because he was so good in math that it seems him that he is wasting his time in his class. It's almost the only class where I'm not wasting my time, said Albert. And Albert answered that it was the only maths class where he was having some interest and he thought that he was not wasting his time. But how did you know I'm leaving, sir? And the teacher, when he told him all these things, then Albert asked him that how do you know that I'm leaving the school? Because he had not told, he asked for the reference only. And then the teacher said, you would have asked me for this reference otherwise. And teacher said, if you would have not been leaving, then you would have not asked me for the certificate. I thought you would wonder. And Albert said, sir, you are great. There is nothing to wonder about Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. And the maths teacher said, thus it is not a wonder. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. इससे पहले कि तुम अपने आप को जान पाओ तुम जा रहे थे. Albert was puzzled. What did the teacher mean? Okay, what the teacher said, Albert was just doubtful about it. He was not able to understand it. And now he soon found out before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher. He was summoned to the head's room. Now he had to meet the principal. But before he could ask the time to meet the principal, he himself was called by the principal. Okay, there was a call, there was a summon from the head of the school, and Albert was taken to principal's room. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought. It's okay. Suppose he had taken a time to meet the principal, he would have to wait for 1 or 2 hours to meet with the principal. But when the principal had already called him, there was no question of waiting outside. He was quite happy with this. He hardly bothered to wonder why he has been sent for. He was also not bothered about it that why the principal is calling him, because he knew that most of the teacher used to complain about him to the principal. But Bagley supposed he was be punished again for bad work and laziness. He was thinking that as usual principal will punish him for doing bad work and for his laziness. Well, he had finished with punishment. Okay, he was thinking that all my punishments are over. And then, I'm not going to punish you, the head teacher said. When Albert entered principal's room, the head teacher said, I'm not going to punish you. At this, Albert was surprised. Your work is terrible. I'm not prepared to have you here any longer. And the principal said, your work is very bad, it's terrible, and I'm not ready to have you here in my school any longer. Einstein, I want you to leave the school now. And he told, the principal told Einstein to leave the school the same time. In my next video, I'll continue the remaining part. Thank you.